so excited. I don't even know where to start. It's so cute.
Move your feet, say this tune's for joy. A catchy blend, oh, with claps and chimes, it starts to crescendo.
We've been down, at 6 my regular. I'm talking 6 for better.
Okay guys, so it's now after 4. Spent the whole day lounging. Need to pack out all of our clothing and everything into the closets. I'm gonna do right now, and then we need to get some food, right babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're hungry. I'm thinking I saved a couple of places, you know, so we wanted to go on the road and get some food, but because of yesterday being like all the restaurants were closed and today being January 1, I'm afraid to say the place them are gonna lock.
Yeah.
I don't want to go out and I have work tomorrow morning and I have a big meeting tomorrow where I have to present. Like I just want to be here and just chill, pack out, get situated more and just chill. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So just watch me pack out my clothes. This is just vitamin C water. Put reduction in there. This tastes really good. So at least I found a pizza place that is good. This is mushroom pasta and bread. That's dinner. That is our brains behind a lot of what we've been doing and spearheading a lot of what we've been doing along with the internal communication. Alright guys, hi. Just had a full day. Well, day not done yet.
Understatement.
Who are you? The key was upstairs. I had a very full day. I had meeting from morning and then I went into another meeting right after. So it's been a very full day because yeah, I just had some, like I just nibbled some things, some snacks. I should have eaten those things though, but now I have my water. So I'm gonna go upstairs and finish up some work. Didn't really sleep well last night because I'm out of breath. Yeah, I didn't really sleep well last night because because there was some music playing, like some house music, and generally I'm not too bad with sounds if I'm sleeping, but it's house music, like, and it's like talking through the music. It's like that slow, sexy type of house disco music that was kind of driving me crazy. So I didn't really sleep that much last night. Got like probably 3 hours of sleep. But yeah, Hakeem, you slept well? No, yeah, we both.
Remember I said.
Oh, you didn't go back to sleep? Yeah. So after you woke up and then I kind of, and then you didn't. So yeah, but I am excited because I've never really had proper Korean food before. So I found this restaurant near us called, let me tell you what it name. I'll show you guys later as well. It's called Sexy Soul Korean barbecue restaurant. So we're gonna try that out. I made a reservation for 6:30 today. I don't think the proper Korean barbecue type of vibe that I wanted, I don't think I'm gonna do that because they give you beef and pork and them something there. I don't know if you can separate and say, oh, you just want chicken, and then I don't know, we'll see when we go there. But I really want to try out Korean food. That's one thing that I said coming here, I really wanted to try leaning into like tasting Korean food. So I'm really excited for that. So when we go there, we'll show you. But that's pretty much all we're gonna be up to for today. I was hoping that we'd be able to do some laundry. Maybe when we come back we can try to do some laundry, babe. Reservation is for 6:30. So we'll probably reach back by 8:30 or so. And then yeah, but I have a couple things to write, a couple more emails to send off, more work on the platform. So I will check back in with you guys later on when we go and get some good old Korean food. I'm hungry bad. Tell them boy outfit. You show them yours? Ready to go for dinner. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry, guys. You don't even know. Me they are muggle and one, but I am proud bellies. Ready to go. Oh, I need to call the car. It's so cute. Oh my god.
In this moment, let the records play. Just sink into the groove with me. Can we as your sunlight breaks my gloom, girl, we'll be dancing to our own beat.
Yeah, guys, time for some Korean food. Even though I can't eat most of the things on the menu, or I don't eat most of the things on the menu, I'm still getting, as always, right? I wish that I could eat like the Korean, like, you know, like when you cook it in the center here and you have the sizzling and everything like that. But I don't eat beef, I don't eat pork, nothing. Walking the streets a little bit that we've never been on. Never been on this street before, so just walking along. Well, Rocco in him. Some cute restaurants along here. Outfit of the night. I'm going for this kind of semi-preppy look. Jeans, shirt, cardigan, thick cardigan because it's cold, and black heels. So yeah, we are going out for dinner. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to my favorite restaurant in Bogota. which is Asian Kitchen. So I'm so excited. We were gonna stay in and just order in, but it's finally reopened because it was closed for like the holiday period. So it's finally reopened, so I'm going there tonight. I need shrimp tempura in my life. They have the best shrimp tempura. So I think that's all I'm gonna. Oh, we need to order that and the dessert that we had last time. Remember that nice dessert with the. All right, so we'll show you when we reach Co. It's. Alright, so we're back in Parque 93. This is how it looks when it's bustling, guys, or more active and lively. See all the lights? So no, yeah. Asian Kitchen. Yeah, sure. Ooh. Cheers. Ooh, nice. That's really yummy. That's like a lemongrass type of vibe.
This is how I take a plane just to come for this.
Like, I'm so excited. I don't even know where to start. This is my favorite thing. I'm gonna come here probably 4 more times. I have to.
Belly as you know? Your face.
Yeah, baby. Sauce time. A little bit of sriracha. I don't usually eat sriracha, but I thought these Denman brushes.
I probably should buy one.
Yeah, you gonna get a Disney princess one?
No, because I've been on a brush now. I look to brush
Yeah, look here. It's so pretty. It's a
you can buy it for yourself, but more use it.
Yeah, this is the one. I have to get this. Oh my god. Oh my god.
People.
I have to have it.
Listen, I can't.
No, the fact, no, not that. The fact that Hakeem said, don't get a trolley or don't get a basket. Because he was like, you want a basket? No, no bother. And then that man just came up, an attendant came up and gave me a basket.
It's like you look for places you say, you know what, take my money.
Take my money.
You look for things you just said.
Oh my. Isn't this so cute? Place. Or like a gaming room. And you need to like store like your gaming equipment. And you go and just stack them up. Like they're storage cubes.
Interesting.
Oh my god. This is a Harry Potter something this one. I love this place. Haul of the things that I got from this cute little store called Miniso. It's so cute. It has like, from you would have seen, has like the cute little girly things for kids in general, but it felt they had like a good little mix of things for kids, girls, boys, and adults if you have like that childlike spirit. But then also they had like tech stuff, like it was cute stuff. Didn't get much things. I did buy a new pair of earbuds because the ones that I have, they one of them went bad. I don't know how. This is it, and the light, it's really cute, white. I was hoping that they had pink. They had purple, but I wanted pink. But
Is it low?
yeah, it's really good. You can try. Here. I played Desperado in it because yeah, I think that's a good little way to test if your earpods are really good.
50 years old?
Perfectly. Really nice. It's currently on Desperado. I got this paddle brush. Needed a new paddle brush, and also because we're traveling now, we don't have a paddle brush, and Hakeem needs to brush his hair. I'm in braids, so I don't need to brush mine. And it says meow on the back. Oh, it's so cute, and it's pink. It's like a baby pink peach. So cute. Then I got a bunch of these little pocket perfumes. They're eau de parfums, and they're really cute. These really cute pocket perfumes. I'm thinking these will go really nicely in my backpack, in my bag rather, or I may just give them to my sister. Buy this one for myself. It says it's a shimmery. I don't know if you guys can see. So oh yeah, so it's a shimmering skin eau de parfum. I don't know what the note is for this. I didn't smell it, but just because it said shimmering, I might just try it right now. A roller. It's supposed to be shimmering. I'm gonna see the shimmery night. Let's see how it smells. Smell damn good. Shimmering skin. Let me not see no shimmer. That's why I bought it. I thought it was shimmer. But it smells nice. Not bad. It smells like what the ladies here wear. And I think the ladies here smell good. Like they have a nice smell to them. Like it smells like something a lady from Bogota would wear. But I'm very like after people. No, but like even when people pass me, I'm one of those people that's like, you know, like I look to smell them. I'm weird, I know. Yeah, people, I collect essences. These two little perfumes because we have nieces, so I want to get them into perfume. So one is for one niece, one is for the other. Bought a pair of earphones for one of my nieces because she needed one. So this is really cute, and it has this little container you can put the earphones in. And then I got this for myself. Look at how cute. Who knows Marie from the Aristocats, the little white kitten? She's like, I'm a lady, that's why. I love Marie. It's a Disney themed perfume and it smells amazing. This is perfect for like a night out. I'll probably wear it tomorrow night. But yeah, so that's what I got. Look at her. Isn't she adorable? I'm a Disney girl. I grew up on Disney, so anything Disney don't catch me. So yeah, I think we're gonna turn in for tonight. Tired, bellies are full, and yeah, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. Yeah, because I think I have enough footage to make a proper vlog, and it is Friday night, so I think I can end this vlog and then start a new vlog tomorrow or over the weekend, whatever we get up to. I'm not sure. Yeah, you'll see what we get up to. So if you like this vlog, comment below, let me know. If you haven't subscribed as yet, don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, yeah.